Christmas is all about?
Christmas is all about?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
You can use any type of milk that you prefer.
Roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your
You can use any type of cheese. I use the block cheese and the shredded cheese, and I also grate cheese. Here I have the Sargento, which I'm just not trying. I didn't really like the Sargento. I usually use Kraft. Here we are pouring the cheese into the pot so it can start to melt. I melt the block cheese first because it does take longer to melt. Then I put the shredded cheese in after. And you need to stir frequently so the cheese and the milk will not burn. Now I'm going to season my cheese sauce. I use a pack of Goya seasoning. I also use onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of Lorry's.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry.
Now we are going to put the macaroni in the oven for about an hour covered with aluminum foil. Then we will take it out and take the aluminum foil off and cook it for another 15 minutes to get browned on the top. I did have to make another pan of macaroni because I forgot to take a picture, but here we go. And this was my Thanksgiving plate that I made. So delicious, guys. And some few tips for the macaroni. I do usually use Kraft shredded cheese as well as other cheeses. You can kind of play with the cheese and add any types of cheese that you like to give it a little of extra pop and flavor. I also use carnation milk. You can use any type of milk that you like. And I do not use eggs in my macaroni because it's no need. I don't use any sour cream or anything like that. I like my macaroni to be more on the firmer side, especially since it's baked macaroni. If I wanted a looser type of macaroni, I would just cook it on top of the stove. Thank you guys for watching. And until tomorrow or the next day after that, see you guys.